Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at a nice product from Anker. This is the Anker 2-in-1, the powercore Fusion 5000. So I didn't expect it to be this small, but very nice. So even though this is a peel off design where you could just pull it off, I'm still going to use my knife. So very plain box. Anker, America's leading USB charging brand. Yeah, obviously they're very trustworthy. So here is the product itself. I'll get into that in a minute. And here are the accessories. We also have not happy card and then a user manual. So pretty nice presentation so far. We have a micro USB cable in here, as well as a carrying pouch. Nice little carrying pouch as well, Anker branded. So wow, it is a really good size. This retails for $30 on Amazon. I'll throw a link up in the description. You have 3 indicator lights. I thought it was 4. And then you have the branding. Right here you have the specs. So this is a 5000 milliamp, has 18.5 wattage. The AC input is at 100 to 240 volts. Micro USB input charging is at 5 volts to 2.1 amps. Charging output is 5 volts, 2.1 amps. The battery output is 5 volts, 3 amps per port. And it does have the IQ technology, which means it'll charge pretty fast. It's obviously not one of their faster charging ones because they don't have the 3.0 or the Type-C. I hope to see this product get upgraded in the future, hopefully smaller and, you know, bigger capacity. But this one, you can charge your devices like a normal wall plug, and you can have it juiced up and just go traveling and whatever, and then you'll have a power bank. So instead of carrying a power bank as well as a wall plug, you can just carry one of these, and it's basically saving a lot of room. For iPhone users, here's representation, so probably like 6 times bigger than the Apple charger and twice as big as the 18-watt fast charger. One downside is if you have a Type-C to Type-C cable for fast charging, you can't use it because there's no Type-C ports. So you have to go back down to normal USB charging, which is obviously kind of a disappointment, but it's okay. So yeah, all you have to do is just plug it in, charge it, and you're good to go. And then you can just fold it up, bring it with you, just like a normal power bank, and then you just charge it. It's really cool, very game-changing. I'm going to be taking that on me with trips. Definitely worth it. I believe they have a black, white, and red version, maybe a blue version, I'm not too sure. But each one goes up in price by like 10 bucks. But the cheapest one is the black, running in at $30. But overall, I am definitely recommend this product. It's only 30 bucks. One of the cheapest. I'm going to put it in one of my top tech under 50 bucks at the end of the year for sure, because this one is amazing and life-changing. And I'm going to also throw in a few other items that you have not seen on the channel yet and I haven't even unboxed. I'll probably do a follow-up review of this item after I go traveling, when I go traveling, if I go traveling in the near future. So yeah, but other than that, this thing is amazing. I know it for a fact. I'm just going to show you how to charge. You can see, and we can plug in a pair of headphones and it is charging. If we plug in an iPhone, it is charging. If you never tried any Anker products before, I definitely recommend this as your number 1 because it's 2-in-1. You have a wall outlet and a power bank, so you can have. Now I do recommend other Anker products like their 10,000, 20,000 milliamp power bank, slim, portable, and super fast. And since it has a pouch, this is a plus because you can just put it in here, strap it up, and you're good to go. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe. I just wanted to make this video real quick, but it is a really amazing product and I highly recommend you pick it up. See you guys in the next one.